गाइस, रिसेंटली मुझे एक पेरेंट ने बताया कि यवतमाल में एक ऐसा स्कूल है जो सीबीएसई पैटर्न के साथ साथ में
स्मार्ट क्लासेस, इंडोर स्विमिंग पूल, रोबोटिक्स लैब, एआई स्किल कोर्स और एक्सटेंडेड लर्निंग मॉडल भी है।
और फीस अराउंड 60,000 एनुअली, और ये सब कुछ रेगुलर स्कूल आवर्स 8 AM से 2 PM के बीच में। ये सुन के काफी सरप्राइजिंग लगा, इसीलिए मैं आज खुद आई हूँ जाजो इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में टू वेरीफाई एवरीथिंग।
Jajo International School has very impressive infrastructure, right from indoor-outdoor sports arenas, professionally built swimming pools, dedicated music rooms for both classical as well as Western music, creative art studios, separate mathematics and robotics lab, spacious computer lab with large screens, huge library with kids-friendly setup.
यहाँ तो सब परफेक्ट लग रहा है, लेकिन आज के पेरेंट्स को चाहिए मार्क्स से ज्यादा रियल स्किल डेवलपमेंट, और इन्हीं एक्सपेक्टेशन का आंसर ढूंढते हैं राइट हियर। सो लेट्स गो।
ये सीबीएसई करिकुलम फॉलो करते हैं विद टेक्नोलॉजी बैक डिलीवरी सिस्टम। दे हैव यूनिक फ्लिप क्लासरूम मॉडल, जहां बच्चे पहले कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं और फिर अप्लाई करते हैं। इन एसोसिएशन विद लीड स्कूल, दे हैव एडवांस एआई असिस्टेंट फॉर एवरी चाइल्ड, लाइक RE gives 3D visualization to textbook for strong concept clarity. Pi gives competency-based practice at home. ERA serves an English fluency assistant for top-notch regular improvement. In fact, child can access everything at home. How cool is that? Apart from that, यहाँ learning 2 बजे तक नहीं रुकती। For 2 to 4 PM, they have exclusively engineered 3 different structured system operating here. JIS Scholar Plus programs from grade 6 to 8 to prepare for competitive entrance exams. Enrichment boarding program for seeking advanced sports training and professional skill development. Remedial support for students who required focused academic attention and concept strengthening. Along with strong academics, school believe in developing children's emotional intelligence also. And being a Gen Z parent, I know emotional intelligence is equally important as academics. Children of Jajo International School starts their day with daily Surya Namaskar Geeta Patan sessions, which helps them building discipline, focus and cultural grounding from an early age. With a well-equipped music room, children learn classical instruments like tabla, harmonium, along with piano and guitar. And the best part, children do not need to carry anything because everything is inbuilt within the campus. Also, all this is not hobby level exposure. The school conducts professional examination with certification, helping children to build a stronger academic portfolio. School conducts certified skill programs in abacus, AI tools and financial literacy, ensuring future-ready skills. Now that's what I called a strong foundation of global skills plus Indian values. And the results? It's visible on the wall of fame. School is also famous for professional swimming training. With expert coaching and performance tracking, children not just participate, they excel here. The campus has dedicated surveillance room with 8 monitoring screens and full-time trained staff. Makes it a secure and well-monitored environment for every child. For early learners, they have launched Galaxy branch, which follows their renowned Montessori pattern with all these integrated facilities, where fee structure starts just from 36,000 annually. And personally, after reviewing everything, I genuinely feel Jajo International Schools offer a structured and well-balanced ecosystem.
Honestly, if such an integrated system is available in Yawatmal, I think there is hardly any need to look towards bigger cities. So parents, I feel you should visit yourself, experience it and then decide for your child.